Hey there, car enthusiasts and tech lovers. Today, we're diving into a story that's got me thinking about the unexpected ways we can solve problems. You're about to witness a unique car hack that left me both amazed and curious. Imagine this. A UPS driver, let's call him Silver, finds himself in a tricky situation. His car won't start and he's deep in the trenches, as he puts it. But instead of panicking, he pulls out an iPhone charger and gets to work. Now this is where it gets interesting. Silver isn't just using the charger to jumpstart his car. He's using it to manually bridge the electrical connection to the starter solenoid. It's like a DIY solution to a complex problem. Personally, I think this hack is a testament to human ingenuity. It shows how we can adapt and find creative solutions when faced with challenges. But it also raises some questions. Why did Silver's car need this unconventional fix? Was it a temporary solution, or a sign of a deeper issue? The starter solenoid is a crucial component, responsible for sending power to the starter motor. When it's not functioning properly, the car won't start. So what caused this failure? Was it a loose wire, corrosion, or something more complex? One thing that immediately stands out is the potential cost of fixing a bad starter. While a new starter itself is relatively affordable, the labor costs can skyrocket, especially for certain vehicles. So, is it worth repairing? Or should you consider other options? From my perspective, this story highlights the importance of understanding our vehicles and being prepared for unexpected issues. It's a reminder that sometimes, a simple tool can be the key to getting us back on the road. So, what do you think? Have you ever had to get creative with car repairs? Let's discuss in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.